Working on my Grand Marquis. I'm going to change the fuel injector. So the first thing I'm going to do is depressurize the fuel system. Pull the plug once it's started. Start it, babe. Pull this fuse. So that should depressurize the fuel line. Now, I think these are 8mm. One right here, one in the back right here. Pop the fuel rail out. I had a P0201 and a P0301. Code for misfire and code for the fuel injector. So when I first checked, this clip was broke, so I bought a new one, spliced it in, plugged it in. Thought it was gonna be cool, but that didn't work. Code came back on. Then I switched the coils to see if the misfire would follow to the other cylinder. It stayed in cylinder 1, which is the one up front. So now I'm gonna try the fuel injector. Stay tuned.